never heard of a president celebrated as a hero before becoming one of the most criticized. That's the story of Herbert Hoover. Before the White House, Hoover was a global humanitarian superstar. During World War I, he masterminded an incredible effort that fed millions of starving people across war-torn Europe. He was hailed as the great engineer and a savior. But then came his presidency, right as the Great Depression hit. The stock market crashed just months after he took office. Despite his efforts, which were actually more active than any previous president during a downturn, his policies were seen as too little, too late. The name Hooverville became a bitter symbol of the shanty towns that sprang up. But he went from a global hero to a national scapegoat, a stark reminder of how quickly fortunes can change. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating historical stories. Thanks for watching.